This is the video on deontological codes from the course of Humanities, Free Speech in the Digital Era. My name is Oscar Pérez de la Fuente. The first idea we need to deal with is what is professional deontology? Professional deontology or professional ethics is ethics applied to a particular profession, in this case, journalism. Um, there are certain obligations, virtues, and duties that are considered useful in order to be a good journalist. Deontology, professional deontology or professional ethics has no relationship with the deontological ethical approach. We need to distinguish between ethics, law, and deontology. This is very important. From ethics, there is something important, something similar, that it's the professional conscience and the collective responsibility. And deontology is an experimental territory of ethics. On the other hand, from law, deontology represents a pre-legal stage and a possibility to criticize legal systems. Um, in one sense, deontology gives moral force rather than coercive legal enforcement. Uh, this is one of the key concepts on deontology, the enforcement and sanctions. Uh, what happens if we don't comply with deontology? The sanction is in the prestige, in the professional prestige. You don't comply to be a good journalist. You are not a good journalist. However, some professional associations have honor tribunals, deontological tribunals, in which there are some sanctions in case you commit some illicit actions, some deontological actions considered unlawful. But these sanctions has prejudicial character, are professional collective sanctions, and cannot be enforced by a civil power or by judicial bodies. They are only from a moral authority, from the professional collective. This is the distinction between ethics, law, and deontology, and is the key point in order to understand deontological codes. This has been the video on deontological codes on the course of Humanity, Free Speech in the Digital Era from the Carlos III University of Madrid. My name is Oscar Pérez de la Fuente.